everyone. Today I'll be making banana bread pudding. What all goes into the banana bread pudding? 6 slices of stale bread, any type of bread that you have, broken into 1-inch cubes. If you don't have stale bread, and mine is still pretty fresh, I'm actually drying mine out in the oven at 200 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes, just long enough to dry out, not toast. 2 ripened bananas, 3 tablespoons butter, melted and divided, 4 eggs, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla. You can also add a little bit of banana extract too. I haven't decided if I'm going to do that yet or not. 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and 2 cups milk. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take an 8x8 cake pan or baking dish. I have just a baking dish. Dump 1 tablespoon of the melted butter in the bottom of that pan. You can move it around like this if you want to, but I'm going to just take a brush, basting brush, and just get all over the bottom. Then take your 1-inch cube pieces of stale bread and put them in the bottom of the pan. And this is 4 to 5 loosely measured cups. I have 4. I'm glad I didn't go with 5, which was 6 slices. Then take the remaining 2 tablespoons of melted butter and drizzle it. I was going to say pour, but it's not going to cover all of it, I don't think. Drizzle it over the bread cubes and set it aside. Then take your 4 eggs, put them in a medium bowl, and whisk that. Pour in 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, the 2 cups of milk, the 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, the 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I have about 3/4 of a teaspoon of banana extract. That's just giving it a stronger flavor of banana if you want, but with the overripe bananas, it's going to be a strong flavor anyway, so that's optional. And then mix this until thoroughly combined. Then mash your bananas up in a ziplock bag or a smaller bowl. I'm just using my cutting board and a fork. I can mash them just fine this way. You can also, if you want to, put them in a blender or food processor. But look at how nicely mashed these are. And I'm going to just put them in the bowl. And of course, the riper the bananas are, the easier they are to mash. And gently stir the bananas into the egg mixture. As you can see, the cinnamon does not like to mix in. It likes to just ride on the top. Then pour your banana egg mixture over the pieces of the bread, trying to get them all covered. Gently press any piece of bread down to be submerged in the batter. Put your banana bread pudding in a preheated 350-degree oven for 45 to 55 minutes or until the bread pudding has risen above the baking dish, turn golden brown, and the top springs back when you touch it. So here is the banana bread pudding. garnished with whipped cream. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, this is squishy. Well, it's kind of is this bread pudding?
It is. It's banana bread pudding.
Okay. I can definitely taste the banana in it. Have enough for lunch tomorrow?
Oh, we got plenty.
Okay. Then I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.